All right, hey gang, Nate Bear here, lead technical tactician for Monument Traders Alliance and Trade of the Day. And in today's video update, it's been a couple weeks. We've had a lot going on here at MTA, but kind of getting back into the swing of things here in the new year. And with today's video, got an update just kind of where we are on the SPY. And then I want to take a look at a chart that I'm watching for entry this week. All right, so let's dive right in. Now on the SPY, we're through the election. We have closed this election gap. This was the election night right there, that gap up. We spent some time up here, finally came down, closed that gap. That was a great opportunity to buy. At this point, we've got a daily squeeze that's trying to fire to the long side. So for me, I am a bull until further notice. I am a buyer of dips, period. Okay, so with that in mind, I just want to try to find the best setups to the long side, rinse and repeat until something shifts on this weekly chart, and it doesn't look like it's even close to shifting. Look at the beautiful structure, right? 8 EMA, 21 EMA, 55 EMA. So until something shifts with these moving averages, I am a bull. I am in buy the dip mode. And you can see we haven't, this isn't something that is quick to shift, right? These moving averages shifted into alignment back in November of 2023. And all year long, they were bullish. So until something shifts here on the weekly chart, again, I am a bull. With that said, let's take a look at one that I do like here. This is one that I trade this quite a bit. I like Burlington. It's a strong stock, right? Strong stock has this nice series of earnings wins and continuation. It's pretty stable. It's pretty steady. And what we've got here is a situation where we've got a TPS set up. We've got an earnings winner, right? Earnings winner. And it's just building this nice long bull flag. It's in the middle of its range. It's at the daily 21 EMA. We've got earnings coming up as a catalyst. That's all the way out into February 27th. So we're in the buy zone. We're not extended. We have a daily squeeze. We have our structure. We've got our trend. We've got our pattern. We've got our squeeze. We've got our catalyst, right? So what I want to do then is just simply, let's go check out the options. And I don't have a position in this yet. But again, remember the earnings are on February 27th. So what I want to do is just go out past that, probably to March, honestly, and probably just pick up some of these $300 calls, like slightly out of the money, maybe the 290s if your account can handle it, or you could do the February 28th, right, which is the same week, right? And then actually that's the problem with doing it the week of earnings, right, is check out the liquidity. Look at the spread on those $300 calls, 470 by $7. That's no bueno, right? We can't trade that. But if we go out to the monthly, right, then we've got a 50-cent spread. Now the option is a little more expensive, sure, but the spread is then all of a sudden extremely manageable. All right, so that's the plan. Let's go and get the March 21st $300 calls literally right now, right? Price is in the buy zone. Let me zoom in on this here and we'll mark this up a little bit. But basically, I want to buy it right off of this 21 EMA. We've got VP support right in through here. So buying it off of 286, I would stop underneath, on a close underneath this pattern. So say a close under 280. If it pierces it like that, that's fine. But if it comes down here and you go to daily close under 280, then for me, that's the spot where I need to say, okay, hold up. I gotta do something different here. I gotta shift my thinking a little bit because we've now taken out and closed underneath all of these people, and chances are we're going to go close this gap, and I don't want to hold from here to here, right? So within this buy range, and then looking for a push higher into earnings and a break over 300. All right. That's my plan. I hope it helps, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good one.